Maria.
Ano ba yan?
Huh?
Oh, neatness. Cleanliness.
What's part of the criteria?
But it's not on the cookie.
Still, you're going to touch your cookie.
Ay, ew! Ew, Maria, huh? I'm not gonna eat that. I'm the judge, you know? How can I eat your cookie?